Hi, my name is Eugene Davis and I'm here on this set for the ORS Olive Oil Hues shoot. And today we have 4 amazing models and a great team of hairstylists and colorists.
My name is Tifany Constantine. I am the master colorist for ORS. I really love this hair color. It has vitamin E in it. I love the way that it makes the hair feel after. It is very true to color. After we applied the color, the hair feels really soft, not like traditional color where the hair is left really hard.
Hi, my name is Nina Simone Kennedy. I'm 26 years old and I am a fine artist. I've always wanted to actually go blonde. I've never had the courage to actually do it, especially on my own since I don't know anything about dyeing hair. Working with ORS Olive Oil Hues have actually made me a lot more comfortable putting dye in my hair. I heard a lot of horror stories. It was gentle to the scalp. It didn't burn. Once I saw the stylist do it, I wasn't afraid to do it myself.